bake natin na cake. The first method is the leveling. So, may mga cake kasi na talagang nagdudum siya. Maraming factors why meron tayong mga dum cake. Which is itatakal ko dun sa isang video. So pag may ganito, leveling is the process wherein you have to remove the dum para magkaroon ka ng even na cake. To start, position mo yung knife wherein dun sa cake na ile-level mo siya. So, for example, this one. Kung saan mag-start yung pagka-dum niya. And then, move mo yung knife back and forth in sewing motions. So, but the other method is to use Lazy Susan or the cake turntable. But I usually recommend, lalo sa mga beginners, na wag mo nang gawin yung straight na pag back and forth ng knife. Kasi usually, pag di ka pa sanay, meron siyang uneven pa rin siya. So, merong mas mataas, mas mababa sa gitna. So, this one, gagamit tayo ng Lazy Susan. And, kailangan, while you are moving your knife, dapat nagmo-move din siya like this. Para ensure mo na talagang pantay yung pagkaka-level niya. So, paikot mo lang siya hanggang ma-reach mo yung kung saan ka nag-start. So, ganyan. So, ayan. Medyo pantay na ang ating cake. So, this is the leveling method, which is... So, the next step is torting a cake. So, torting is also known as cutting a layer of cake horizontally to split it into 2 or several layers. This is done to thin the layer of cake so more layers or filling can be added. So, this one, medyo maliit yung ginawa ko. So, I think, pwede pa natin siyang gawing 2 layer. So, the same procedure sa leveling, kung ano yung process na ginawa niyo doon, ganun din naman siya sa torting. So, but this one, gagamit ako ng cake leveler. So, dito kasi, mayroon siyang mga height or like as marking kung gaano kataas yung cake or kung gaano ka thin yung layer na gagawin natin. So, I think this one, naka-ano na siya. Naka-set na siya. So, make sure lang na pantay yung mga paa ng cake leveler mo. So, para pag minove mo siya, magiging pantay din yung pagkakahati mo sa kanya. So, this is the process of torting cake. So, let's start. So, ganun din. While nagbaback and forth ka, you need to move also the cake. Hanggang ma-reach mo yung starting point mo. So, that's it. So, medyo crumbly pa siya kasi kakalabas lang actually ng oven. I usually set this first in the fridge, but means nagmamadali ako kasi yung cake na to is rush order lang ng husband ko. So, alam mo naman pag husband, never say no, di ba? Okay. So, usually, pagka-bake mo, see to it na nakaset siya. Actually, you can do that by putting in the fridge kahit overnight or several hours sa ref para hindi siya crumbling. Actually, hindi naman siya gano. Hindi ko lang nalinis yung sides niya kasi nga nagmamadali. So, yan. So, next, I'll show you how to put the filling crumbling, and icing the cake. So our next step is filling of the cake, crumb coating, and icing of the cake. So when filling the cake, place the bottom cake layer on the cake board and position it on a turntable. Then fill a decorating bag fitted with a round tip, usually Wilton tip 12, but this time I'm using a bigger one kasi gusto ko medyo makapal yung filling niya. So squeeze the bag to pipe a dam of icing around the cake, at least 1/4 inch from outside. So this one, ginagawa to para hindi mag-slip or lumabas yung filling na ilalagay natin. Kasi minsan may mga filling na like flowy, like jam or like mga yema filling. So, para ma-prevent na lumabas siya, ito ang kailangan gawin, or maggagawa ka ng parang big ring or dam around the cake, at least 1/4 from the outside. Oh, sorry. So, parang ganyan. And then, saka mo siya lalagyan ng filling. This time, gagamitin ko lang itong mocha. And, I'm using pala mocha cream cheese for the filling kasi gagawin ko ngayon is kasi gagawa tayo ngayon ng drip cake. So, this one, chocolate ganache. So, just to add the flavor, lalagyan ko lang siya sa ibabaw. And then, so, ilalagay ko yung next na layer. So, same. Maglagay ulit ng dam. You can use different filling. Depende rin sa preferred nyo. Pwedeng strawberry, lagyan nyo rin siya. Pwede rin naman several filling sa isang cake. But make sure na magko-complement yung lasa nila. So magka-crumb coat na tayo. So what is crumb coat actually? Crumb coat is a thin layer of frosting that seals in straight crumbs before a second or final frosting is applied. So ginagawa natin yan para yung mga crumbs sa cake, hindi siya makikita dun sa finals. So, kailangan maging intact siya. So, the way to do it is, maglalagay tayo ng thin layer of frosting. And then, ang way ng pag-apply mo sa cake, kailangan madiin siya. As in, para talaga siyang sinisealed niya yung mga maliliit na crumbs. Para malinis na siya dun sa final coating. Wala na tayong makikitang mga block. Lalo na pag chocolate siya. At yung frosting mo is like this mocha or vanilla. Kailangan talaga siyang ma-crumb coat. So, yan. Make sure na na-crumb coat nyo ang buong cake. So, don't worry dun sa mga beginners. I'll be making a new video using the basic frosting or buttercream for the frosting. So, ito kasi medyo complicated kasi as I've said, I'm using mocha cream cheese frosting with ganache. So, ipapanggit lang kasi ito ng husband ko. So, ayan. After crumb coat pala, you need to chill it first before you apply the second or final frosting. Para make sure na talagang wala ng crumbs. So, magko-coffee break muna ako while chini-chill natin to. And then next time, next step would be the final frosting and design. So, ipapakita ko lang yung gagamitin ko sa final frosting niya. So, this mocha cream cheese, mimixan ko siya ng chocolate ganache. So, lagay mo lang siya, then fold mo siya sa mocha buttercream. Then, magtitira lang ako ng konti for my trick effect. Now, i-final frost na natin yung ating cake. So, from that recipe, meron pa akong cupcakes, and since meron tayong tirang frosting, gawin na rin natin to. So, simple piping lang. I'm using round tip, big round tip. This very delicious chocolate mocha cupcakes.